Hello friends, welcome in my channel Code with Bhupendra. I am Bhupendra Khilrani. Today we discuss how we can use command line arguments in Java. So let's start programming. First of all, I am creating a public class having name command line ex. Since I have already saved the program with name command line ex. In Java, file name must be same as public class name. Now I am creating main function in which I am writing a string args. Now this string args is known as command line arguments. How to use them is the topic of this program. So currently I am leaving some space here. Later we add some lines here. Now save the program, compile it. For compilation I am using Java 11. You can also use any other version. For command line arguments, we have to write something like this: values to pass to the program. Now whatever we write here will be transferred to string args. Now the question is, why string? Since string support any kind of data, so whatever we pass here will be stored into this string array. Currently it will not display any data, but now we like to display some useful information like total arguments that we have supplied to the program. So we have to write args.length. In Java, length is a property of array. Now we like to display all those values, for which I am using for loop. Index starts with 0 and goes up to size -1. So I am writing less than args.length, and now we have to display those values, for which we can write args then index number. So now whatever values we pass will be displayed by this for loop. Now again save the program, compile it and execute it. It is showing total argument 6, and these are the values that we have provided. Friends, if you have liked this video, please subscribe, share and comment. Thanks.